Hello everyone, today I'm going to share a model of reusing discarded plastic bottles to grow Malabar spinach. This is an idea I came up with myself and it's really easy to do. As you can see, the vegetables are very tender and green and they're ready to harvest after just 40 days. First, use loose, well-aerated soil and put it into the plastic bottles mounted on the wall. Next, add the seeds and water them daily so they can germinate. After sowing the seeds, you can add a layer of coconut coir on top to help retain moisture better. After 10 days, you'll see the seedlings have developed 2 cotyledons. Keep watering them daily so they can grow well. Since they're not planted directly in the ground, the plastic cups lose moisture very quickly, so they need to be watered every day. Today marks 40 days since sowing the seeds, and we can start harvesting the first batch of greens. After harvesting, the plant will produce 2 to 3 new shoots from the leaf axils. So for the next harvest, keep watering regularly and add fertilizer by mixing it with water for feeding. Malabar spinach can be harvested continuously for up to 6 months. Please subscribe to the channel to see more great ideas for growing vegetables at home. Thank you so much.